Hello viewers, this is my OnePlus 6. Okay, so I have a problem audio jack. Whenever I push a headphone port, it rejects easily. But how we repair? We repair easily any OnePlus or other set. So we have need two accessories. One this or this. We can use this or this. So I can choose this. Okay. Whenever we phone on our pocket or something where some rubbish into the audio jack, so we have to clean it properly. First we have to push under, first loose, then hard, then clean it. Any phone, any audio jack, you have to clean it this way. Nothing damage. Okay, there is some dust. Clean our audio jack, and right now it worked properly. I am sure. Thank you so much. Watch my video.